Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Moon! What happened? You couldn't join on time. Wait, let me save our Zoom link. How were
Mm,
you today, Moon?
Good.
Oh, you got a new hairstyle today, Moon. When did you cut your hair? When did you cut your hair?
Uh, you want to tóc à? Muốn tóc? Yes. Nói đi.
Yes.
Muốn tóc đó.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay, Moon. Let's start with our lesson, okay?
Ừ.
So let me share my screen. Okay, so for our quick review, Moon, let's have the following pictures. Okay, so I want you to talk about the following pictures, Moon. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, so what's in the first picture here, Moon?
Hmm. It's,
It's a
uh, it's a TV.
very good. Yes, that's a TV. Nice. Okay. So, do you like watching TV, Moon?
No.
No, why not?
Um, I like to play games.
You like to play games. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So, in that case, then, what about the or let's try to improve on your sentence there first, Moon. So, can you please repeat after me? I don't like.
I don't like TV.
Not I don't like TV. You can say I don't like watching TV
I don't like watching TV
because
because it's not fun.
okay, yes. That's
It,
correct.
it's
So in that case, yeah, or you can also say it this way, Moon. So I don't like watching TV
I don't like watching TV
because
because
I
it's not
like
because I like
playing
play
games.
games.
Yeah, playing games better. Okay, thank you, Moon.
Play
Yeah. Next one,
games.
Moon. What about the second picture? What is in the
Um,
second picture, Moon?
it's a bed.
Yes, this one's a bed. Very good. So, can you tell me, Moon, is your bed big or small?
My bed is bigger.
Bigger?
Yes.
No, no, you cannot say bigger because we don't compare in this sentence. So you can just say, my bed is big.
My bed is big and
Yes,
bigger.
not bigger. You can say, my bed is big.
My bed is not big. It's small.
Ah, your bed is small. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so next one. Let's have the third picture, Moon.
It's a hat.
Yes, this one's a hat. So let's answer this question then. Have you got a yellow hat?
No. No, I do.
Okay, you
Don't.
can say no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Mm-hmm. So, what are you wearing today, Moon?
I'm wearing a, mm, a, blue top and white t-shirt.
Okay, yes, very good, Moon. That's a great job. Okay, now this time, Moon, let's move on to our next activity. Okay, so we are going to talk about, or we are going to have test six this time, Moon.
Yes.
So for test six, let's take a look, or let's talk about what do you do on weekends, Moon?
Mm. I I play I play I I streaming on weekend. I swimming on weekend.
Okay, so you can say, I swim on the weekend.
I swim on weekend.
Okay, yes. So, where do you go swimming, Moon?
I go swimming in a pool
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes.
and a
So,
beach.
in the pool and in the beach. Okay, so do you have a pool close to your house, Moon?
Um uh hmm,
Okay, wait. Teacher will ask a question.
hmm,
There a beach close to your house?
Có bãi biển nào gần nhà bạn không?
yes.
Ooh, okay. So that's why you like to swim then. Very
The
good.
pool is next to my home or my house.
Wow. So the pool is next to your house?
Yes.
So do you swim every weekend?
Yes.
Wow, that's really good. Okay. Nice one, Moon. Okay, so let's talk about the next one then. Okay, so we're going to talk about the picture here, Moon. So, can you see the picture, Moon?
Yes, I can see the picture.
Yes, you can see the picture. Okay, now this time, Moon, I want you to tell me what happens in the picture, Moon.
Um the I can see the man is um the
The man
man
is
is
what? What is the man doing?
Junya. Hmm. Um the man is
What is the man holding, Moon?
the man is holding a monkey.
Yes, that's correct. So the man is holding a monkey. Very good. And where is the monkey?
The monkey uh i- is under the tree.
Not under the tree. You can say the monkey is climbing the tree.
The monkey is climbing the tree.
Okay, yes, that's correct. And then what else can you see in the picture?
Um, I can see the woman is parting the tree.
Okay, yes, that's correct. So the woman is pointing at the tree.
I can see the boy and the girl is holding the coconut.
Okay, so the boy and the girl are holding the coconut. That's correct. Very good. But which boy and girl, Moon? Because there's one girl here, there's another girl here. There are three boys here. So which boy and girl are holding the coconut?
Hmm. Uh, mm, hmm. Ah, I can see. I can see the dog is
Or
is
let's
the
describe this one
big.
first, Moon. Okay, please wait. Let's describe these two people here first. So you can say, Moon, the boy and the girl
Your boy and your girl
are
are
sitting
are sitting uh
are
on
sitting
on
on
the
a
tree
trunk. Yeah, on a trunk.
on the tram.
And they are,
They are on the tram.
yes, they're on the trunk, but you can say, Moon, they are drinking coconut water.
No, they are
Yes. Look at
holding.
this. There's a straw. They're
Is
drinking.
is
They're sipping. They're sipping.
holding. Is holding.
Not holding, they are sipping, Moon. They're drinking the coconut water.
Mm, the boy and the girl is the drinking the drinking the
Coconut water.
coconut water.
Yes. So next one. What else?
I can see uh two birds are are sitting on the tree.
Okay. And then what about the other people here, Moon? What about
Um,
these people? What are they doing?
they are looking the monkey.
Okay, not looking the monkey. You can say they are looking at the monkey.
Looking at the monkey.
Yes, very good, Moon. Yeah, they were looking at the monkey.
The children is looking at the monkey.
Yes, very good, Moon. The children are looking at the monkey. Nice. Next one. What about the dog here, Moon? What is the dog doing?
The dog is sleeping.
Yeah, the dog is sleeping, Moon. Very
I
good.
I can see a sun.
Yes, there's a sun. Very good. There's actually a sun here, Moon. Very good, Moon. Now, this time, Moon, where do you think is this place, Moon? Can you tell me where do you think is this place?
Hmm.
Hmm. Where is this? Is
What
it in the city?
is in the house?
Which house?
Is a house.
Yeah, it's a house, Moon. That's correct. But Whose house is this one, Moon?
Your house is a farm.
Yes, there you go. That's correct. So can you please repeat after me, Moon? The house is in a farm.
The house is in the farm.
Very good. Yes, the house is in a farm. Okay. So have you been to a farm, Moon?
Um,
Have you been to a farm?
no.
No. Would you like to go to a farm?
Um, um,
Do you want to go
uh,
to the farm?
no, your farm is at home.
The farm, what do you mean the farm is at home?
My farm is at home.
Ah, your house is in the farm?
Yes,
Ah, okay. Do you like living there?
yes. My house is next to your farm, and many animals in the farm.
Ah, there are many animals in the farm. Oh, that's good, Moon. Okay, so by the way, Moon, since it's almost time already, so we will continue with our discussion, Moon, in our next class. Okay, so we will talk some more in our next class. But for tonight, Moon, let's cut our class short because yeah, I have another class after this. I'll see you again on Monday, Moon. Okay?
See you later.
See you. Bye bye.
Goodbye.